Hi guys, today I will be unboxing and testing this Olimpia Splendid convector heater. So model is NDM 15M. Okay, so here are the features. So two heat settings, then thermostat, can be wall mounted, and also you can use it with the caster sets, then tip over switch, and X-shaped heating element. So I'll open this now so you can see what's inside. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I can just pull this out. Okay, just sideways. Okay, so nothing here. So just put it down first. Here are the wheels. Comes with wheels. Okay, then try to remove the plastic. This is for the power plug. Just remove it later. So it looks like this. Then there's a switch here. So that's two selectors. So different heat setting. Then this one maximum and 0. Okay, we put the wheels on. Okay, I will try to install the wheels, but first I will show you the screws. You can see here I have 5 screws, but they are different. So 2 are a bit thicker compared to these 3. So for the wheels, you should use this thicker one. Okay, just put this 3 down and put the wheels on. Because if you use the, you can see this one is perfect for the size, but the other 3 too small, so it's not holding. Okay, now you can see the notch should be aligned, then push in. Now you can see the hole there. Then you can screw in. Now it's there. Try the other one as well. In, put the screw. Then tighten. Now it's tight, and I can put it on wheels. In case you want to install it on the wall, so there's a bracket. So normally you have to push it in first, then turn, then put the screw here. Then also on the other side. then put a screw here. Okay, then you can just hang it on the wall, but I will not do that. Then there's also a small piece of rubber that will be placed here, something like this, so it will be balanced with this bracket. Okay, so I think that for now I will try to test this one if it is working. Let's start to test this one. So I have plugged in the power supply. Then you can see here the switch. Try to lower the camera. So you have two switches here. So you can switch either one. So like that. Now you can see it is on. If only one is switched on, that means low power mode. But if you switch on two, then that is a high power mode. Then you can adjust the temperature setting. Okay, let's try the high power mode first and feel if it is heating up. Try the max first. Yeah, I definitely feel it is heating up. We'll get a thermometer for a while. I have here the thermometer showing 20.6 degrees Celsius. Then let me see if closer here. Yeah, I can definitely feel the heat. Now you can see it's turning up. 21.8, 21.9, 22, 23. So definitely this one is working. Okay, then I'll just try to turn off. 24. Then temperature should go down now. Yeah, it's still hot. So I already turned it off, but it's still generating heat. Yeah, now it's 27. 28. 29. 30. Anyway, I just let it cool down. Then that's it for now. This is the Olimpia Splendid NDM 15M. So basically this will cover up to 15 square meters of room size. Okay, thank you for watching.